Hello, my name is Joilson Steven. I am single. I am from Leguizamo, Putumayo. I am 18 years old. I am a student of agronomy. I am studying 8 UNAD. I live in San Jose del Guaviare. In my free time, I like to play soccer. The main tourist spots in Leguizamo, Putumayo are La Paya National Natural Park, which houses a larger number of species, each managed animal, each plants. The Guardian of the Jungle. It is a saber 360-meter egg and 40 centimeters in diameter. The typical food of my city, food based on fish in altered preparation, smoked, dried, fried, etc., accompanied by red, yellow cassava, and some kind of fruit drinks from the region. The main celebration in my city are the only three-border festival in the country, which hits the idiosyncrasy of their national that guide around folklore, art, gastronomy, sport, and the expressions of each people. In my city, I can go and play soccer, get to know different indigenous communities. Sometimes you can go fishing, also swim on the bank of the Putumayo River, and walk to the beach in summer season. Thank you.